Hi friends, my name is Sandhya Dimbal. Today's video topic is operator in a Java. Operator in Java is a symbol that is used to perform operation. For example, plus, minus, multiplication, division, etc. Operators are used to perform operation on variables and values. Java provides a rich set of operators to manipulate variable. We can divide all the Java operators into following group. First is the arithmetic operators. Second is the relational operators. Third is the bitwise operators. Fourth is a logical operator. Fifth is a assignment operator, and last is a MIST operator. So we can discuss about in brief. First is a arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used in mathematical expressions in the same way that are used in algebra. The following list of arithmetic operators is a addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment and decrement. Modulus divided left hand operate by right hand operands. Operands are returns reminder. Increment increase the value of operand by one. Minus is decrement. Decreases the value of operand by one. Then next is a relational operators. There are following relational operators supported by Java language. First is a equal to check the value of two operands are equal or not, and then not equal to check the value of two operands are equal or not. Next is a greater than. It is used the value of right operand. If the condition become true or false, then less than. Next is a greater than and equal to. It is used if we check the value is greater than or equal, then less than equal to. Next type is the bitwise operator. The bitwise operators in Java. The Java defines several bitwise operators. We can be applied to the integer type, such as long, int, short, char, and byte. First operator is a and. Binary and operator copies a bit, and the result exists in both operands. Then next is a or bitwise operator. Binary or operator copies or bit if exists the either operand. Then next is a bitwise XOR. Bitwise XOR operator copies the bitwise. It is the set of operator, but not both. Then next is a bitwise complements. Then next is a left shift. Next is a right shift. Binary right shift operator. The left operand values is moved right by the number of bitwise specific the right operator. Then next is a zero fill right shift. Then next type is a logical operators. Assume the boolean variables a holds true and b holds the false. Then for example of logical operators is a and is a logical operator. It's called as a and operators. If you operands are non-zero, then the condition become true. A and B is a false. Then logical operator is a or. The operator, if we can two operands are known as zero, then the condition become true. Then is a not. Then next is a not equal to. Then next is a is equal. Then is equal to. It is the assignment operator. Thank you.